Greeting, Smart Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add background color to our web page. Yes, very important. If you notice, this itself is the VS Code what we're actually going to do it in. And then when you're done, you open it up in Google Chrome. Yeah, if you notice right here, the background is white. So you wanted to change the background. Right, so that's exactly what you're going to do. Alright, you notice you come right here in between the body here. Alright, and I'm going to put in the back body right here. So when I type the body right there, put space, and I say BG, and I put the red color right there, one word. So after you do that now, let me move this. So you do that now, and I put the equal sign right there, put the equal sign. Yeah, if you notice the two quote in the middle, just like that. Alright, I'm gonna put the color in between here, so good. So if you notice out at the end right here, so I'm right out at the end, I'm gonna close it with a bracket. So now close it to the bracket. Now I'm gonna come up here and save it. Alright. You can press Ctrl C and press like that. Then I'm gonna bring up exactly this now. I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna refresh it. You notice? That is how we change our background right here in the web page. Right? I can even go back and put a different color by moving the brown color right there. You move right there. I put in that color. So each time you do that, if you try to wanted to save it, right? And then you want to bring it up now, right? You're gonna refresh it just like that. Notice the color actually change again, right? So what if you want a red color in it? Right, just type in the red and then you're gonna save it. You can press Ctrl S, right? And then I bring it up now. Come right there, refresh it. You notice that's exactly how it looks. So this is how you actually change the background in your web page, right? By using body, PG color, equal, and so forth. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.